Hello, everyone. Just wanted to post this today. It's Thanksgiving and wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving and hope everybody has a great day. Lots of food and family, friends, and football. And so I just want to do a quick video just to let you guys know what I am thankful for. It's been a great ride so far, being able to do this YouTube channel, and I really appreciate all the comments that I get back, how much people are appreciative of what I do and trying to show everything in great detail. So for all of you that have allowed me to hit this milestone the day before Thanksgiving, I appreciate it. But yes, I actually hit 5,000 subscribers, which for a lot of channels is not a big deal, but mine's a small channel, so it's a nice level to finally get to. So hopefully the second 5,000, from 5 to 10,000, won't take as long as 0 to 5,000 did, as word gets out and people appreciate what I do for them, and the community does. So, but hey, I just want to wish everybody a very, very happy Thanksgiving, and this next year is going to be fun. I've got a lot of things on the agenda to do with a lot of cars, and I apologize for the last month or two that I haven't had quite as many videos as normal, but I've been extremely busy with my regular day job, and it has not given me quite enough time to spend on making some videos like I wish it had. But they're in the works and things will be happening. I've got a lot of things planned for the GR Corolla. I have quite a few maintenance items that I need to do on my wife's Prius. So the Prius community hopefully will appreciate that. They have been, those of you in the Prius community have been extremely supportive of the videos that I've done, the maintenance videos and whatnot. So, I'm just looking forward to another fun year and watching this grow and grow more and more. So thank you for all your support. If you haven't subscribed or anything, please do, and continue to like the videos and share them with your friends. So I would sure appreciate it. And everybody have a great day. And until next time, we'll see you down the road.